After much speculation and amid growing tensions between New Delhi and Dhaka, Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Bangladesh interim chief Mohammad Yunus, their first meeting since former PM Sheikh Hasina's ouster last year. The meeting comes days after Yunus's remarks on India's northeast, calling it landlocked and positioning Dhaka as the only guardian of the ocean in the region, which ruffled feathers in New Delhi. During the meeting, Prime Minister Modi urged Bangladesh to avoid rhetoric that hurts bilateral ties, while also raising India's concerns on the safety of minorities in the country as well as preventing illegal border crossings.
Prime Minister also urged in this regard that any rhetoric that vitiates the environment is best avoided. On the border, strict enforcement of the law and the prevention of illegal border crossings, especially at night, is necessary for maintaining border security and stability.
Meanwhile, Bangladesh raised the matter of Dhaka's request for the extradition of Sheikh Hasina, having received no official response from New Delhi. Many sticking points remain in the New Delhi-Dhaka relationship, from India's concerns over alleged instances of violence targeting Hindu minorities in Bangladesh and India's decision to grant asylum to Sheikh Hasina to Dhaka's recent tilt towards China. Yet shaking hands on the sidelines of the BIMSTEC summit in Bangkok, the two leaders' demeanor did not reflect the strained ties between the neighbors. The interim chief even gifted Prime Minister Modi an image of the two leaders from 2015, where Prime Minister had presented Yunus with a gold medal. The two leaders were also seen seated next to each other at the BIMSTEC Leaders' Dinner on Thursday. With this meeting, India has made it clear, while remaining firm about its concerns regarding the minorities and the border, this meeting has opened a path for dialogue and diplomacy with a crucial neighbor in the region. Disha Bagchi for NDTV.